Greetings, I'm Lauren Marsh from Academic Technology Support Services, and I'd like to share some thoughts about design decisions in Canvas courses. The design decisions you make as an instructor will impact how easily students navigate and use your Canvas site. When planning your Canvas course site, focus on 4 key design decisions. First, how will you organize and name content in a way that enhances your students' ability to find and use it? This is always a good practice, but we'll talk about why naming conventions are especially important in Canvas. You'll need to decide on a home page or landing page. What will students see when they enter your course? You'll need to decide how to display your syllabus and how students will access your syllabus. And finally, you'll need to determine what students have access to on the course menu. Let's review 2 sample sites that demonstrate the impact of these choices. Template A and Template B present the same content, but we've made some different design decisions. This is Template A. The first thing you see is this home page, clean with a lot of white space. It contains a banner, quick links to important information, a course description, and links to modules. If I click into a module, Module 3, it takes me to the modules area where course content is organized and sequenced. If I click into any item in the module, I can then navigate to the next item in the module, or I can navigate to the previous item in the module. This functionality is built into the module. Now, while we're in the modules view, let me point out 2 things. First of all, the naming conventions. Notice that every item in Module 1 makes it clear that this item belongs in the module. Every item has 1 in the title, and it will soon be clear why I did that. The second thing I want to point out is that the course readings are actually ungraded assignments. Again, we'll talk about the reason for this shortly. Another feature of Template A is the built-in syllabus available on the course navigation menu. Now, inside the syllabus, if I click on Jump to Today, it brings me to the course summary at the bottom of the syllabus. And here are all the course assignments in chronological order by due date. Everything that appears in my calendar, which is to say everything that has a due date, will show up here in the built-in syllabus. In Canvas, the calendar tool and the syllabus are integrated. And this is a powerful combination. This is a dynamic schedule. If I change a date on an assignment, either by clicking and dragging in the calendar or going into an assignment and changing a due date, it will automatically be updated here. One of the characteristic features of Canvas is the shortcuts that allow you and your students to jump directly into assignments from the syllabus or the to-do list or from the calendar. Now, if I didn't indicate what module these items came out of, I'd have a long list of undifferentiated stuff. So take that into consideration when you come up with a naming strategy. Also, note that because I wanted this to be a comprehensive list of course-related tasks, I added readings as ungraded assignments, and this is why they show up in the course summary, and it's why they'll show up in the to-do list or on the calendar. So let me go into student view so you can see the course menu as a student. You'll see that in Template A, students have many ways to access content. They can access their assignments, discussions, quizzes right here on the course menu. They can go into calendars, etc. Now, let's take a look at a second example, template B. This is the same content, but we've made different design choices about the home page, the syllabus, and the course menu. Now here, modules act as the home page. I have not used the built-in syllabus in template B. Instead, I've linked to a page in the module. So you'll see there is not the added functionality in this syllabus. And because I don't have the dynamic list of assignments, I've added a static table. I just have to remember that if I change a date in an assignment, I have to come here to edit it. You'll see that these are very out of date. Note that due dates are very visible in this environment. I also want to point out that there is no due date attached to the reading here because I did not put it in a reading assignment. Therefore, it will not show up on the to-do list. So I've made different choices with the course menu. I hid modules, I hid the built-in syllabus, and I hid assignments. It's very spare. The purpose of showing you template A and template B is not because you have to choose between them. Canvas is a flexible tool and you have many options as to how your course looks and how students move around in it. We've shown you these examples to illustrate the 4 key design decisions that you should focus on when planning your course: course organization, the home page, the syllabus, and the course menu. Thank you.